Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to build better habits and improve your daily routine, you're in the right place. Today, we're exploring some of the best habit tracker apps available for Android that can help you stay on track and achieve your goals. Let's jump in and discover how these apps can make habit formation easier and more enjoyable. Habit Tracker, HabitKit. Habit Tracker HabitKit is a comprehensive app designed to help users build and maintain new habits with ease. The app features a clean and intuitive interface that allows users to set up and track multiple habits simultaneously. Users can specify daily, weekly, or monthly goals and receive notifications to remind them of their tasks. The app includes a visual progress tracker, making it easy to see streaks and accomplishments over time. Additionally, HabitKit provides insightful statistics and trends, allowing users to evaluate their progress and make necessary adjustments. Its user-friendly design and effective tracking capabilities make it a great choice for anyone looking to foster positive habits. Hizo Habit Tracker. Hizo Habit Tracker is an innovative app that emphasizes a gamified approach to habit tracking. This app encourages users to build and maintain habits by turning the process into a fun and engaging experience. Users can create personalized habit plans and set specific goals, while the app rewards progress with badges and achievements. Hizo's unique feature is its customizable habit dashboard, which allows users to visualize their habits through colorful charts and graphs. The app also has a community aspect, enabling users to connect and share their progress with friends. With its playful interface and motivational features, Hizo Habit Tracker makes habit forming an enjoyable process. Habit Tracker, HabitKit. Habit Tracker HabitKit is a straightforward and effective app focused on helping users establish and manage their habits effectively. The app allows users to create habits easily, track their progress through simple checkboxes and calendar views, and set reminders to stay on schedule. One of its standout features is the ability to categorize habits based on personal goals, making it easier to focus on specific areas of improvement. HabitKit also provides users with insightful statistics about their performance and streaks, helping them to stay motivated. Its simplicity and efficiency make Habit Tracker HabitKit a valuable tool for anyone looking to adopt new habits and achieve their personal goals. Thank you for watching. We hope this overview of top habit tracker apps helps you find the perfect tool to support your journey toward better habits. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more productivity tips and recommendations. Which app are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments. See you next time.